Hi there, my name is Melanie Hansen, and I'm a current undergrad student here at Sierra Nevada University. In my short 23 years, I have moved 11 times and had the pleasure of living in about 8 different states. One of my favorites was in San Diego, California, where you could get anything from street tacos to churros or anything you would like. While in San Diego, I had the pleasure of meeting my best friend David. Before he passed, he was on the road to becoming an airborne special ops Marine. And through him, I was able to meet multiple veterans of all different branches, and that was where I realized that there was a real shortage for psychology in all of the branches. That is what led me to my decision of majoring in neurobehavioral psychology when I make it on over to grad school. And in grad school with the neurobehavioral psychology degree, I hope to help veterans with PTSD as well as traumatic brain injuries and make sure that they can have a better, fully functioning life when they come on back over here. Thank you for listening.